What if a robot moves randomly and you may have a determined whether if return back to its start position? So today we will solve this problem using simple logic and coordinates movement. So welcome back to my channel, myself Priyabrat, and if you want to master DSA coding problem solving and lead code problems, clean C++ coding, you are in the right place. Today we solve question number 657, robot return to the origin. So our problem statement is you are given a string called moves. Each character represents robot movement. Here given that here U represent up and D represent down, L represent left and R represent right. So our task is determine whether the robot returns to the original position means 0, 0 after all moves. So here given an example, input moves equal to UD means up and down. So the robot moves up once and then down once. All moves have the same magnitude, so it ended up at the origin where it started. So therefore we return the output is true. Here given another example, it's go LL means left side. The robot moves left side twice. It add up to two moves. To the left of the origin we return false because it does not at the origin at the end of its moves means it gives output is false. So what our approach to solve this question? Think of it the robot moving on a graph and we use I as a horizontal position and J as a vertical position. So starting point of our solution is 0, 0. So movement routes are given. When having upside, then we increment the J plus plus means vertical, and when having down, then we decrement the J minus minus in vertical. After that, when having a right side means R, we increment I plus plus. When having in left side, then we decrement the I minus minus. At the end, we check if I equal to 0 and j equal to 0 means robot return to its original position. Then we give return true of the solution. So let's start the code. We take an integer variable I equal to 0. Then we take j equal to 0. After that, what we move? Here we check, we run a for loop for character move. Then here write move. Then here we write here the string given moves. So we write moves. After that we check if condition. If move equal to up means u, then we increment j plus plus. After that we write else if condition, else if, then check move equal to means down means d capital D, then we decrement j minus minus. After that we write another else if condition, else if, then we check move equal to having right, then we increment I plus plus. If having left, then we write else condition to decrement I minus minus. After that, we return to the question return equal to 0 and then j equal to 0 means having the zeroth position means 0 comma 0. Now we run the code to test the given example condition is runs or not. Here the given example cases are passed. Now we try run the code. How its code works. For we take an example one. So So here we take an example one, move equal to up and down. Here first we given an example, we here given an example, moves equal to up and down. We start from first we write that here we start, here start here having first write the I equal to 0 from starting and j also 0. After that the starting point is 0 comma 0 of both I and j. After that we go move. Here we move for first position, means after that we move, we are given an up position, so we write here u has up. After that, for up here I is 0 but j is increment, means here write 1. So here position is 0, 0 comma 1. So position is 0 comma 1. After that here we write having a d means I increment. Sorry, here downside means I 0 but j decrement, means here write minus 1. Here plus 1 and minus 1 is 0. So it's returned to the starting position of the original one. Means it answer is true of this question. So now we submit the code. Here all the cases are passed here to this question. uh, this question, the time complexity of this question is OFN and the space complexity of this question is OF1. Here, coordinates help simulation robot movements and efficiency without storing the paths. So this question great for beginner simulation problems and help understand coordinates problems and frequently asked normally in problem solving and interview questions. What common mistake to avoid to solve in this question? Forgetting starting point 0, 0 and mixing horizontal and vertical movement. Incorrectly handling left and right updates. So if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more coding content and comment robot written. Our next video coming soon. Keep coding, keep learning and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.